Imagine stepping outside your back door in the middle of January. Instead of seeing brown sticks and dead leaves everywhere, you're looking at stunning red branches catching the sunlight, beautiful flowers still blooming, and berry-covered bushes that make your whole yard come alive. That's not a dream. That's what your winter garden can look like, and I'm going to show you exactly how to make it happen. I'm Sam from Seniors Gardening Advice, and today we're talking about something most gardeners completely miss: making your garden beautiful when it's cold outside. Stick around because I'm sharing 12 amazing plants that will transform your winter landscape. And before we get started, if you love gardening tips like these, please subscribe to our channel and ring that bell so you don't miss any future videos. Your support really helps us create more content just for you. Why winter gardening matters. Let me ask you something. Do you really want to stare out your window at a sad, colorless garden for 4 months every year? Of course not. Most people think gardens only matter in spring and summer, but the truth is, winter is when your yard can actually stand out the most. Think about it this way. When everyone else's landscape looks empty and dull, yours can be absolutely stunning. Winter gives you the perfect chance to add drama, texture, and color to your outdoor space. The plants I'm going to share with you aren't just sitting there looking okay. They're showstoppers that demand attention. And here's something people don't realize. These winter plants aren't just pretty for us humans. Birds and beneficial insects need food and shelter too, especially when it's freezing outside. By planting for winter interest, you're actually supporting the local wildlife in your neighborhood. It's a win-win situation. If you're finding this information valuable, please drop a comment below telling us which plant you're most excited to try. And if you know someone who needs to hear this, share this video with them. Let's help more people create beautiful winter gardens together. Getting started. What you need to know. Before we dive into the specific plants, let me give you some important basics that will make sure your plants actually survive and thrive. First, you need to know your USDA hardiness zone. This is basically a guide that tells you which plants can handle the winter temperatures in your area. You can find this information online in just a few minutes, and it's one of the most important things you can do before buying anything. Second, timing is everything. You want to get your plants in the ground about 4 to 6 weeks before the ground actually freezes solid. This depends on where you live. Some places might freeze in November, others might not freeze until December or even January. The sweet spot for planting is when you're looking at about another month of decent weather. Think days in the 40s to 60s if you live somewhere cold. If you live in a warmer climate, you actually have the luxury of planting all winter long. Lucky you. And remember that texture matters just as much as color. When these plants are covered in snow or standing next to evergreen trees, their shapes and stems become natural art. You're not just looking for color. You're looking for contrast and visual interest that lasts through the entire winter season. The 12 plants for winter beauty. Plant 1. Red Twig Dogwood. Let's start with a plant that's going to make people stop and ask you questions about your yard. Red Twig Dogwood is a multi-stem shrub that's grown specifically for those amazing bright red stems that just pop against a winter landscape. Picture this: fresh snow on the ground and those brilliant red branches standing out like they're glowing. It's absolutely striking. The really cool thing is that the colder it gets, the more vivid and intense that red color becomes. Some people think it looks even better than autumn leaves. If you don't want pure red, there are other varieties that give you coral or golden colored twigs instead. No matter which color you choose, this plant becomes the focal point of your winter garden. Plant it where you can see it from inside your house, or put it in front of evergreen trees to really make that red color stand out even more. Plant 2. Panicle Hydrangea. If you're someone who wants a plant that's actually easy to grow, Panicle Hydrangea is your answer. This is the variety that doesn't make you pull your hair out trying to figure out the perfect soil pH or light conditions. Here's what makes it special for winter. Those big, beautiful flower clusters, we call them panicles, stay on the plant basically all winter long. Most shrubs drop their flowers and leave you staring at bare branches. Not this one. Those panicles stick around, and when they're covered in ice or snow, they look like natural decorations. The texture these flowers create is genuinely interesting to look at. They're not fresh and colorful like they are in summer, but there's something beautiful about their dried appearance. You can leave them on the plant all winter and enjoy that interesting texture, or just snip them off whenever you want them gone. They give you the option. Plant 3. Winterberry Holly. Let me tell you about a plant that birds absolutely love. Winterberry holly is a native plant that's deciduous, meaning it drops its leaves, but the magic happens after those leaves fall away. The berries are bright red and stunning. We're talking about a show that lasts all through winter. Those gorgeous red berries create color and contrast that makes your winter garden pop. The best part? Birds find them absolutely delicious, so you're feeding local wildlife while making your yard look incredible. Here's one important thing you need to know. Plant both a male and a female Winterberry holly. This matters because that's how pollination happens. Without pollination, you won't get those beautiful berries. So don't skip this step. Buy one male and one female plant, get them in the ground, and then enjoy the berry show all season long. Plant 4. Lily of the Valley shrub. Want something that flowers in late winter when you really need a little color boost? Lily of the Valley shrub is going to come through for you. This is an evergreen shrub, so it's green and alive even when other plants are sleeping. But here's the special part. It gets covered in hundreds of delicate lantern-shaped flowers that are either pink or white. These flowers dangle from long stems, and they appear in late winter or early spring, basically right when you're desperate to see something growing again. People call it a showstopper, and that's not overstating it. When that plant blooms, it's the star of your whole yard. Plus, if you've dealt with deer eating your plants before, you'll love that this shrub is deer-resistant. And if your garden has shady spots, this plant handles shade better than most other flowering shrubs. It's genuinely versatile. Plant 5. Coneflower. Here's a gardening trick that most people don't know about. Don't cut back your coneflower stems in fall. Leave them standing right there in your garden bed. Those dried flower heads might not look like much when you first look at them, but they're actually beautiful in their own way. When you see them covered in a fresh snow or standing tall against the winter sky, they become part of your landscape design. Plus, and this is important, birds absolutely love the seeds inside those dried flower heads. You're providing food for wildlife while creating visual interest. That's smart gardening. The same goes for black-eyed Susan flower heads. Leave them up. Let them add that spiky, dramatic texture to your winter garden. These plants are pulling double duty. They're beautiful and they're feeding your birds. Plant 6. Paperbark maple. If you want to add a real statement tree to your landscape, paperbark maple is worth hunting for. This tree grows slowly, which means you won't get tired of looking at it. It has two amazing features. The peeling bark that looks almost like it's shedding its skin in patterns of white, tan, and reddish colors, and gorgeous autumn foliage that's just breathtaking. Here's the thing about this tree. It's not as common as some other maples, so it might take a little work to find one at your local nursery, but it's absolutely worth the search. This is an accent tree, meaning it's meant to be noticed and admired, planted in a spot where you can really see it, and it will make your whole landscape look more interesting and sophisticated.
Plant 7. Daphne shrub. Want something that blooms in late winter and actually smells wonderful? Daphne shrub is calling your name. Beautiful pink flowers appear on this plant right in the heart of winter. But the best part isn't just the color, it's the fragrance. That sweet, fruity smell fills the air and reminds you that spring is actually coming. There's something really special about that smell on a cold winter day. It's like hope in the form of a scent. If you're tired of looking out at nothing but gray skies and brown branches, Daphne gives you a reason to go outside and just breathe for a minute. This plant brings life to your landscape at a time when life feels pretty scarce. Plant 8. Ornamental grasses. Don't think all ornamental grasses have to be mowed down in fall. Some are absolutely stunning when you leave them standing through winter. Both perennial and annual ornamental grasses add incredible texture to your landscape. Grasses like featherweed and fountain grass should be left intact. Let them do what they do naturally, sway in the wind all winter long. This movement, this life and motion in your garden, is actually something you don't get from most other plants. When those grasses are covered in frost or snow, the texture becomes even more interesting. You're looking at layers and dimensions that change throughout the day as light hits them differently. It's genuinely dynamic landscaping. Plant 9. Russian Sage. After those purple flowers fade in late summer, something magical happens with Russian sage. The delicate skeleton of the plant remains standing through winter. These dried plant skeletons retain their interesting texture and that silvery color even after the first hard frosts. They're visually striking, and they last basically all winter long. Plus, if you've ever had problems with rabbits or deer eating your plants, Russian sage is naturally resistant to both. Wildlife knows to look elsewhere. The structure and bones of this plant actually make it more interesting in winter than it is in summer. This is one of those plants that proves that dried and brown doesn't have to mean ugly. Plant 10. Pussy Willow. Pussy willow is a shrub that wants to be wet and happy, but here's the honest truth. It will adapt to almost any soil type. It's pretty forgiving. One thing you need to know, this plant gets bushy and can take over an area, so give it plenty of space when you plant it. If you find that it's getting too big, just cut it back to the ground every few years and let it grow fresh. It bounces back amazingly well. The real magic happens in early spring when those adorable fuzzy catkins appear before any leaves even come out. These little fuzzy buds are basically nature's signal that winter is ending. They're cute, they're interesting, and there's something special to look forward to. Plant 11. Heather. Heather is an evergreen with needle-like leaves that come in different colors depending on the variety. You might get green leaves, gray leaves, or leaves that turn yellow, orange, or bronze as the temperature drops. This plant grows about 1 to 2 feet tall and wide, making it perfect for massing on slopes or filling in spaces in your garden beds. When you plant multiple heathers together, you get this interesting color palette that changes throughout the season. It's like having a living painting in your landscape. Here's the specific tip. If you want heather that actually blooms in winter, choose the variety called Erica carnea. This is the one that will flower when most other plants are sleeping. Winter blooms are rare and valuable. They're worth planting for. Plant 12. Seven Sunflower Shrub. Let's finish with a plant that does basically everything. Seven Sunflower Shrub. This is a deciduous shrub that can actually be pruned into a multi-stem tree shape as it matures. You have options with how you want it to look. Here's what makes it truly special. Year-round interest. That's not an exaggeration. In late summer, you get creamy flowers. Those are beautiful. Then you get showy purplish fruits that create color and visual interest. The heart-shaped leaves add another layer of design. And when winter arrives and everything else is bare, that peeling bark really stands out and makes a statement. This plant is carrying your entire winter landscape some weeks.
Wrapping it up. You now have 12 different plants that will completely transform how your winter garden looks. These aren't plants that just survive winter. They're plants that shine in winter. They're plants that make your neighbors ask questions. They're plants that give you something beautiful to look at, even on the coldest, darkest days of the year. Remember, know your hardiness zone, plant at the right time, and choose plants that match your climate. Do that, and you're going to have a winter landscape that makes everyone who sees it want to know your secrets. If this video helped you, please like it and subscribe to Seniors Gardening Advice. Leave a comment telling us which of these 12 plants you're going to try first, and share this video with a friend who loves gardening. Let's help them create a beautiful winter garden too. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.